Welcome to the Meranova Guest Inn. This inn is a fully renovated historic 1910 home. Can someone do the math on that? Well, let's just say it's old. The inn offers 9 distinctively different apartments just off of downtown Dunedin's Main Street. Let's peek into a few. This is the C-Star apartment. This 4-room apartment, sporting a decorative fireplace, has original craftsman columns, built-in bookcases, and a wooden hutch. The glass dining table with locally found shells and the Japanese fish prints that wrap the walls create an ocean environment. Next up is the Beach Pine apartment. Taking up the entire east side of the second floor in the main house, this apartment has 2 bedrooms with 2 entrances. Having a full kitchen and dining area is perfect for guests looking for more than a quick trip. Southern sandblasted heart pine adds that old Florida charm. Okay, I have to show you the Caladisi apartment, naturally. With an eclectic coastal design, this 2-bedroom apartment is bright and sunny, and it is built with hard pine on the walls and a ceiling that maintains the craftsman feel. What's behind the curtain? What do you know? Another bed! Before I take you on a tour of the whimsical grounds, here are some more details about Meranova Guest Inn. Even just walking around the Meranova is entertaining. There's a heated pool, there's a gazebo, there's this red chandelier. So pretty. While you're walking around, keep an eye out for gnomes. You heard me, gnomes. 7 little gnomes are painted on the property, and if you spot them all, the owner will give you free in-room champagne service. Okay, I gotta go find these little guys. There's 1, there's 2. Ooh, that's a tough one. How'd you get back there? Holy moly, he's on the roof! Aw, he's sleeping. How many is that?